And now I am off to Animal Kingdom. So if you watched yesterday's video, you will know that this is an extension of yesterday's video to where I came to Animal Kingdom. So on my way in on the tram, I snagged a fast pass for Everest, so that is where I will be heading first. Absolutely no plans at all coming here to Animal Kingdom today. I really just wanted to come over here, ride the safari, ride Everest. Fingers crossed for a fast pass for a Flight of Passage. Highly doubt that's gonna happen though. It seems pretty busy here today. I did get a fast pass for the safari. It wasn't until like 8 p.m. I did get it modified down till 12 o'clock. And it's 11:54 right now. Really hope I see baby Hippo Augustus. We're about to find out. I said it seemed a little busy here today. It's beyond busy. This FastPass line, I've never seen look like this before. It starts clear back there. And then I gotta wind the whole way around to here and then into the line. There's a guy with a sign for the FastPass line. Totally did not think this was gonna happen, but look what I just got. Flight of Passage. So I just finished the safari, and first off, I got to see the baby hippo, Augustus. That was so exciting. And second, as you saw before I just rode the safari, I scored a fast pass for Flight of Passage. I have no idea how that happened today because it is so busy. I mean, you saw the line for fast pass for the safari. That was really long. Apparently somebody must have just canceled and I got on there right at the exact time and got it. So I'm gonna head into Pandora and walk around. So I just got off of Flight of Passage, best ride ever. I'm heading out of Animal Kingdom for the day. I know this is probably a super short video because I really was not here very long, about 2 hours. But hey, we got to see a baby hippo, right? Make sure you tune in to Resort TV 1 tonight. We will be on their live stream from Magic Kingdom with them. We've got some fast passes booked together, so we'll be riding some rides, walking around Magic Kingdom, just some Disney park talk. It's gonna be a good time.